Hi guys, thank you very much for clicking on the video. This is How to Play Times Like These by Foo Fighters. Before we get on into the video, if you could like and subscribe, that would be a massive help for the channel, and do comment down below any recommendations of songs you would like to learn. Let's start with the first verse. So for the verse you will need 4 chords. They are D major, A minor, C major and E minor. Now all the chords will be on the screen at all times if you're just starting out or you need a reminder. So if we head straight on in with D, so we have D major, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, C major, 2, E minor, 2, D major, 2, 3, 4. We'll do it again. D, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, C major, 2, E minor, 2, D major, 2, 3, 4. Now if you are just a beginner, I would suggest practicing that a few times over, making sure you have this structure in your head before you move on with the video. So if we move on to the strumming pattern now, this is how I would play it, and I'll explain what I do after. So if we start on D, we start off with the D major chord and do a down, up, down progression. And that sort of leads into the verse. So the general strumming pattern you will need for this song is this. If you can get the... So that is down, down, down. Down, up, up, down, up, up. So. So if we go through that one more time, so we have the D. So if we go through that together twice round, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, C major, E minor, back to D. Here we go. A minor, C major, E minor and D. So if we move on into the chorus of the song, now there are 2 different ways that you could play this. I'll start off with the easier one, then I'll move into the one that I think is best and I prefer. So option 1, we have 3 chords. We have C major, E minor and D major. So all chords that were in the previous verses, and that would go like this. So C major, E minor, D major. So for that we are playing the C, 2, E minor 2, D, 2, 3, 4. C major 2, E minor 2, D, 2, 3, 4. So for the strumming pattern, what I would suggest is a down, 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 up for the C and the E. So and for the D, continue with the down, 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 up, up, down, up, up. So throw in the down, up, up on the D as well. So if we practice that one together, 3, 2, 1. E minor, D major, C major, major, E minor, D major. Now if we move on to the version that I would prefer, there are again 3 chords. Now there's Cmaj 9, E minor 7th, and D major. Now Cmaj 9 I prefer to play like this. So if you consider a standard G chord, and just move your top 2 fingers down 1 string each, and that's your Cmaj 9. And for the E minor 7th, if you keep your fingers where you are and just move these 2 into E minor position, and there you have E minor 7th. And then we all know D major. And that would go something like this. Cmaj 9, E minor 7th, D major. One more time. Cmaj 9, E minor, D major. So if you want to practice along that at home, we'll go through it again 2 times round. You can choose either option 1 or option 2, that's completely up to you. 1, 2, 3. It's times like these you learn to live again. It's time on Cmaj 9. E minor, D major. Oh, it's times like these you give and give again. Cmaj 9, E minor, D. So if you're ready, we're going to move on into the last part of the video. We're going to play the verse and we're going to play the chorus together. I'll show you how it's done first, then you can join in the second time. So let's start with the verse and we're on D major. A minor, C major, E minor, D major. One will go around. We're on D. A minor, C major, E minor, D. We're going to the chorus now. Ready? Cmaj 9. And again. Cmaj 9, E minor 7th, D major. Or you can do this. C major, E minor, D major. C major, E minor, D major. Let's go through this one last time if you've got it. If not, you can re-watch the video, keep on practicing, I'm sure you'll get it in no time. So we're on D, let's go, last time round. C, E minor, D major. And again. Do I stay or run away to leave this all behind? Chorus. Oh, oh. There's times like these you learn to live again. There's times like these you give and give again. Last time. So that is how to play Times Like These by Foo Fighters. Thank you very much for watching the video. I really do hope this was helpful to you. If you do have any suggestions of songs you want to learn, please do comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.